So I'm using medium worsted yarn with 6mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and last 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and I'm gonna join to the top of the chain 3. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slip stitch in the space and chain 3. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the corner I'm gonna make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. In the next stitches I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in each. And then in this corner I'm gonna make 1 double crochet. This is the first row, second row. I'm gonna chain 2 and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the very first stitch from the chain 2 and 1 double crochet in each stitch. Till the last one over here. And I'm gonna make 2 double crochet chain 2, 2 double crochet in the corner. And then 1 double crochet in each stitch. And in the last one, 1 double crochet. Chain 3, one double crochet again in every stitch. 2 double crochet in the corner, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in every stitch. So it's very simple. You just work in half corner of the granny square till whichever row you like or width you'd like to obtain. And this is how you make these solid metered granny square. Very easy and straightforward. Like I showed you in the previous video, there are 2 ways of making it. One is with 2 clusters and one is with 4 clusters, which is the granny square. For the granny square you can make 1 row or 2 rows depending on you, but the second row will be different from this one. It'll have 1 double crochet in every stitch, and in the corners 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and until next time, take care, bye bye.